Thank you for choosing the PureDrop 100HRO Reverse Osmosis Water Filter with Countertop Pitcher. With proper installation and maintenance, this water filter system will provide clean drinking water for years to come. Please follow the instructions in the video for proper installation procedures. Before we start, carefully read the safety precautions section of the user manual. Ensure all parts are included in your water system's package and that you have all the necessary tools ready. Installation: feed water adapter. The system was designed to be installed under the sink. Please clean out the space before installation. The feed water adapter fits most standard 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch water supply connections. If your existing connection is a different size, an additional adapter may be required. Step 1. Shut off the cold water valve under the sink. Turn on the faucet to release pressure and drain any remaining water. Step 2. Disconnect the faucet connector hose. Be prepared to catch any excess water from the hose with a towel. Step 3. Install the feed water adapter to the valve and tighten it with a wrench. Step 4. Reinstall the faucet connector hose to the feed water adapter and tighten it with a wrench. Step 5. Turn the feed water valve to the off position. Connect the red tube to the adapter and insert a locking clip to secure the connection. Leave enough tubing for future maintenance. Then measure and cut the tubing as needed. Installation: countertop pitcher. Choose a suitable flat surface on the countertop to install the pitcher. If your kitchen sink does not have a pre-existing hole, drill a 1/2 inch diameter hole before installation. Step 1. Clean and dry the area. Attach the provided bushing pad to cover the sink hole. Step 2. Insert the white tube to the back of the water pitcher by approximately 1/2 inch. Step 3. Open the guiding clip and slip the white tube and the pitcher power cord into it, then close the guiding clip. Place the cord protector over the end of the guiding clip and slip over to cover the tube and power cord. Slide the clip downward to wrap the tube and power cord into the protector. Measure and cut the tube and the protector to your desired length. Insert the white tube and power cord along with the protector through the sink hole. Installation: drain saddle. Step 1. Choose a spot on the drain pipe convenient for installing the drain saddle and tube. A horizontal section is recommended to help minimize dripping noise. Do not install the drain saddle after the P-trap, as this may promote microorganism growth. Step 2. Drill a 1/4 inch hole into the drain pipe. Paste the seal pad around the hole to prevent leaks. Step 3. Cut the end of the black tube tip to create a 45-degree angle. Insert the tube through the drain saddle into the drain pipe. Step 4. Install the back plate and tighten the 2 screws with hex nuts while the tube remains in the hole. Gently pull the tubing to confirm it is secure. Installation: leak stop valve. The system comes with a leak stop valve that can automatically shut off the inlet water from entering the water system when it detects a leak, effectively protecting your home from water damage. The valve is highly sensitive to water. Handle and install it with care, as the leak stop pad inside the valve will absorb water and expand when exposed to water. The pad must be replaced after each water contact. Step 1. Choose a dry, flat spot under the sink near the system to install the leak stop valve. Step 2. Measure and cut the red tube. Connect the red tube from the feed water valve to the leak stop valve's inlet port. Step 3. Connect the remaining red tube to the leak stop valve's outlet port. Please make sure all tubing is inserted approximately 1/2 inch into the fittings. System startup. Step 1. Unwrap and insert the filter cartridges in correct order. Press the filters inward until they click into place. Step 2. From under the sink, insert the red tube from the leak stop valve approximately half an inch into the water inlet port of the system. Step 3. Insert the white tube from the water pitcher half an inch deep into the pitcher port of the system. Install the pitcher power cord to the pitcher power port. Plug the power adapter into a power outlet. Step 4. Insert the black tube from the drain saddle half an inch deep into the drain port of the system. Step 5. Turn on the cold water valve and feed water valve. Plug the power adapter into a power outlet and wait for the system to complete its initial rinse. Step 6. Ensure the pitcher is properly seated at the base and that the water is flowing to the pitcher. Check for any leaks. Step 7. Remove the pitcher from the base to ensure the water shuts off. Once the pitcher is full, confirm that the system stops producing water. After verifying all steps, fill and discard the first 2 pitchers of water before regular use. The lights on the touch panel should be solid blue. The installation is now complete. Please refer to the user manual or contact us if you have any questions. Filter replacement. Filter lifespan may vary based on the quality of the incoming water. When a filter is nearing the end of its life, the corresponding filter life indicator will blink in blue. When a filter is expired, the corresponding filter life indicator will turn to solid red. The filters should be replaced promptly to maintain the quality and taste of the output water. To replace the filters, Step 1. Ensure the pitcher is properly seated on the base. Shut off the feed water valve to the system. Step 2. Press the filter inward with both hands to eject. Remove and dispose the expired filter. Tilt the system to pour out any remaining water inside the filter housing. Use a towel to catch any water that drains out. Step 3. Unwrap and insert the new filter. Press the filter inward until click to secure. Step 4. Touch and hold the PCB or RO buttons for 5 seconds to enter the filter selection mode. Press the reset button to complete the process. The corresponding filter light will return to solid blue. Step 5. Turn on the feed water valve to resume normal operation. Please note, the system automatically flushes for 18 seconds when it powers on or restarts. Touch and hold the rinse button for 5 seconds to perform manual flushing. The filter replacement is now complete. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have questions. Thank you.